Hi, this is Eric from LD Products, and I'm here today to show you how to replace an Epson 312 cartridge in your Epson Expression XP-8500 small-in-one printer. A brand new Epson Expression 8500 small-in-one includes the Epson 312 black and color setup cartridges. There are 6 different cartridges for this printer: black, cyan, magenta, yellow, light cyan, and light magenta. And the cartridges are sold in a standard yield size and a high yield or XL size. High yield cartridges are filled with more ink, giving you more prints per cartridge. You'll need to have all the cartridges installed in your printer in order for it to function properly. So we just turned on the printer, and you'll notice right away that the printer is warning us that our black cartridge is running low. That message popped up immediately when I turned the printer on, so that means it's time to replace. Okay, so we've got the cartridge replacement message up here. Let's go ahead and replace one of the cartridges. So the first thing we want to do is click the next button on the printer's display. And it's asking if we want to replace the cartridges now, so we'll confirm yes, replace now. And then it's saying to replace the ink cartridges. And so there's a nice little how-to video here built into the software, but we'll show you how to do it live as well. So let's do that. Let's click next to replace. And hit start to start the replacement process. We'll give it a moment to process. And open the scanner unit to replace the cartridges. So we're going to remove the black cartridge from the printer. You can do that just by lifting up gently on the cartridge. It'll pop right out. So I've got a brand new Epson 312 black cartridge here. Let's take it out of the package. Okay, so we've got the brand new 312 cartridge here. You'll notice on the bottom of the cartridge is a little yellow clip. That clip is there to protect the cartridge in transit, and you don't need it when you're installing it in the printer. I like to usually take the clip off over a trash can because sometimes a little bit of ink might escape here. And it removes just like that. See, there is a little bit of ink there, so that's why we got it over a trash can. And then we'll go ahead and install it into the printer. And while you're doing this, just be aware of the gold contact chip on the end here. This chip is what the cartridge uses to communicate with the printer. Sometimes dust or residue might get on there if you actually touch it with your fingertip. It could cause a bad connection in the printer, so just be aware of that and try and avoid touching it while you're installing the new cartridge. Alright, so let's go ahead and put the cartridge in the printer and just line it up into the black cartridge slot and gently press down, and you'll hear a click. And then on the printer's display here, you'll say you can confirm that the cartridge is installed and touch completed. And it'll take a couple minutes to initialize, and then we should be getting a cartridge installation confirmation message here shortly. Okay, so after it's done initializing there, it does take a few minutes. We get this final confirmation message saying replacement complete. You'll notice the black ink cartridge levels are full, and we're ready to print.